Blue train, green train. Up comes the yellow sun. Blue train, Thomas starts his run. Green train, Percy sees the sun. Now his busy run is done. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. Pee pee, clickety clack. Blue train, Thomas on the track. Unload up brown cows, white eggs, green plows. Load up the blue bikes, wet wagons, orange tricycle. Load up the new toys, gifts for little girls and boys. The sun is yellow, the sun is round, the sun makes shadows on the ground. Here comes a gray cloud, blue train Thomas peeps so loud. Down, down on the train, gray cloud starts to rain. Peep, peep, oh no, where can the wet train Thomas go? Peep, peep, the sun is back. Blue train slows down on the track. Unload the brown cows, white eggs, green plows. Unload the new blue bikes, wet wagons, orange tricycle. Unload the new toys for happy little girls and boys. The sun goes, down goes the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas' day is done. Home now to the sheds. Peep peep, the shed is where Thomas can sleep. Up peeps the white moon. Green train starts soon. Peep peep, clickety clack. Green train Percy on the track. Load up all the mail and unload along the rail. Boxes of all shapes and sizes. Blue presents, red prizes, cards and letters by a stack. Lots of brown crates in a stack. Green train Percy slows down. He picks them up and puts them down. Boxes of all shapes and sizes. Blue presents, red prizes, cards and letters by a stack. Lots of brown crates in a stack. The moon is brown. The moon is white. The moon makes shadows in the night. The night is cold. The fog is thick. The yellow light will do the trick. Up peeps the yellow sun. Green train Percy, now it's done. Home now to the shed. Peep peep, the shed is where Percy can sleep. Blue train Tom sees the sun again. Time again to start his run. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. The end.